Okay, so today's finally the day that we are all celebrating Andres' birthday and we're going on a boat. So this is Nicole. Where is she? Oh, that's Nicole. And this is Ailette. And you'll meet the rest of our friends later. So now we're gonna be on our way.
Okay, so we finally got it together and we are in the car.
I just hit the link and I know you feeling somewhere.
Say hi to the vlog, Jordan.
Santiago, sí, mucho gusto conocerte. Vamos a la casa.
It's because I don't got my shades on. No, we're good.
Yeah, good day.
Enough of the talking. Let's give you what you came for.
Yo, where the fuck are you, bro?
In the little, like Texas to Brazil, by the scuba diving thing.
Where the fuck you go?
Bro, like, you got no car left. I was supposed to go to your mom. Losing all my innocence, body on my, finding all my innocence, all my sins, all my just hit the pedal. If things go wrong, it's just incidental. My bad, never got the memo that you never have fun while you're in the limo. Yeah, you wanna ride in 6, you wanna dine in the 6. But when I lean for the kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics. And I'm like, hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love.